Okay, so as many of you guys know, Black Friday is approaching quickly. Okay. And the MetaQuest 3S currently has a deal going on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But as of recording this, the MetaQuest 3S, the 128 gigabyte model, you will be able to redeem, or should be able to, terms apply, of course, depending on which part of the world you're in and whatnot. But as of right now, you'll be able to possibly redeem a $75 credit for Amazon.com using code QUEST75. Make sure you do not forget to redeem this. I don't know how long the deal is going on for. Presumably, worst case scenario, it will only be going on until the day after Black Friday. Best case scenario, it will be going on till the end of the month. I really don't know how long it's going on for, so I guess limited time while supply lasts or whatever. Now, this is a pretty good deal for those of you guys who are sort of on the fence about VR, or you talk to your friends and they're on the fence about VR, because the MetaQuest 3S, not only are you saving a good amount of money. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just think it's a good deal, especially if you're first getting into the headset. As like a first dive into the headset thing, you might want to get it while it's on sale, and I think Black Friday is a good opportunity. Oh, okay. So I actually just read a bit more about the deal in case you're curious. $75 promotional credit offered from, well, as of making this video, until the 30th. Okay, so I guess that is good. And I should also mention that the MetaQuest 3S comes with Batman Arkham Shadow and a 3-month trial of Quest Plus. MetaQuest Plus is kind of their online subscription service. Think of similar to PlayStation Plus or Xbox Game Pass or Apple Arcade. There's tons of that kind of stuff out. So yeah, I get to have Apple Arcade actually. It's pretty cool. You basically get a mobile game experience with no ads. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. I think this is a good deal. Again, it's for a limited time. So if you're watching this video after Black Friday ends and everything, I am sorry, but you missed the deal. But definitely still feel free to click the link in the description below and sort of keep an eye out, because on Amazon there are sales and stuff regularly, so it could be something that goes on sale quite often. But yeah, I'm actually going to end it off here. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.